Hello, hello, hello. SalonDivaV in the place to be, and welcome back to the garden. Today I'm going to be harvesting some of these collard greens. They are not as big as I want them to be, but I'm going to harvest some just to give them an option to grow bigger and better. So let's jump right in. So I'm only trying to take the bigger leaves. Also to give um the Swiss chard that's in the middle here some sunlight and some room to grow also, because the Swiss chard is getting shaded in by the collard greens. All right, y'all, for the most part, I got majority of the bigger leaves. I'm gonna leave the rest to get bigger. So here is a harvest full of collard greens. All right, y'all, SalonDivaV in the place to be. Check out my websites below. My Amazon affiliate links are listed below also. Check out my other social media profiles. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe. Leave me a comment below and let me know how I'm doing in the garden. Until I see you guys in the next video, SalonDivaV in the place to be. You know what it is. Peace. No collard green left behind. Peace.